Hi, I'm Sam from Les's Engineering, and I'm here to talk to you about the new generation of dual controls. Here we have the new and improved Les's Engineering dual control, featuring a quick release lockout. See this pin. It also features the driving instructor's best friend, which is a throttle override. The driving instructor uses this pendant. One press, the blue light, the system's activated. When the driving instructor puts his foot on the brake, it cuts out the throttle, which I'll just see, bring up the revs of the vehicle. The brake pedal's depressed, and you can tell that it's activated with the flashing lights. A release, driving's back to normal. The driving instructor can also pause the throttle override by pressing the button once. This is for if the student wants to do a hill start or something like that. The pause function will time out after a minute, just in case the instructor forgets to put the system back into normal operation, or it can be restored just by pressing the button again and the blue light will appear. The sensor that cuts out the throttle can be adjusted to suit the vehicle or to change the level of sensitivity. These features on the Les's Engineering dual controls are exclusive to Les's Engineering. At Les's Engineering, safety is paramount, and these new features could save you from a serious accident. They could even save your life. So give us a call today to talk about fitting them to your car.